Have you ever accidentally deleted precious memories from your SD card? It's not a nice experience, but I've got a simple, effective system to stop that happening. In this video, I'll show you how. Have you ever unwittingly deleted irreplaceable pictures from your SD card? It's one of the most annoying tech disasters. I've been there, done that, and it's definitely not fun. To stop it happening, I've developed a foolproof system to keep your photos and videos safe. I'll walk you through my exact workflow for using, storing, and organizing your SD cards. And by the end, you'll never have to worry about accidentally erasing the wrong card again. Plus, if you stick around, I'll reveal a common mistake that many people make when trying to free up space on a storage card. Whenever I'm out on a shoot, whether it's a wedding, headshot session, or exploring the great outdoors, I keep the images from the shoot on the SD card until they've been backed up in 2 separate locations. By the way, if you're looking for expert advice on backing up your photos, check out this article by my good friend Peter Morgan. Pete is a tech guru as well as an excellent wedding photographer. He covers the importance of backing up, the pros and cons of all the options, as well as providing some useful resources. Totally free, and there's a link for you in the description below. Okay, back to my workflow. After the shoot, and once the images are backed up, I format the SD card. This not only clears the files, but also makes sure the card is clean and ready to go for the next time. And that's where this very simple system comes in. It involves using this pretty robust and inexpensive card case, and if I open it, you can see how this works. Can you see that some cards are face down and some face up? Well, that's because those that still have images on them and are waiting to be backed up are face down, and I therefore know not to use them. The ones that are clean and good to go are facing up. This works really well, especially when you're concentrating on taking your pictures. I have 2 of these PNY cases. I use one for my Canon cameras and one for my Sony ZV-E10. That way I can stay nice and organized. These cases came from the manufacturer, but Amazon have some very similar and just as good. By the way, my Canon 5DSR has 2 card slots, one for SD cards and one for CF cards. So with this camera, I already have a backup before backing up, if that makes any sense. Also in this PNY case, I can hold CF cards and SD cards, so it's very useful. As you might already know, some more up-to-date cameras now have 2 slots for SD cards. So with a case like this and my simple system, your SD cards will always be protected. After filling up an SD card on a shoot, I put it in the case face down, then pick up and load one that's face up. It's as easy and as simple as that, but it's also very effective. Now before I share a common mistake you might be making, after this video, why not download my ebook, The 3 Essential Pillars of Good Photography. Sign up for my monthly newsletter to get your free copy. It's packed with helpful tips and I'm sure you'll find it useful. You can find the link in the description below. So do you erase your SD cards or format them? If you're only erasing them, you might be making a mistake. On this camera, and probably yours too, even if you delete all the files, there might still be some data left on the card. It's better to format the card and completely wipe everything. That way you know you're starting again with a clean slate. I used to erase the files and then format the card, but there's no need to do both. You only need to format it to totally wipe it clean. Don't forget to put the clean card face down in your case though. Let me know in the comments if you're going to give this system a try. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, have a look at Pete's article and check out these videos if you want more help with your photography. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.